Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Sharp Skills 62, the place where we turn your web design dreams into reality. Today we are diving into a fundamental aspect of web creation, setting up a stunning, welcoming home page for your WordPress website. What is the importance of home page? Actually, home page is the first impression of visitors that visitor get of your site. Like, I want to view my website and how it looks like. So it have these blogs and another post, and my home page is like a mess, and I want to create a separate home page that from where user gets impression of my website. So how to do that? Before we begin, let's explore what you will learn in this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will create a page and choose this page as a home page and setting it as the home page and ensuring it's mobile friendly. So for that purpose, go to the page and click on add new. Give it a title as home and click on publish. Double click publish and your page is created. Our next step is to make this page as our home page. So how to do that? Just go to the admin panel and from here go to the setting and reading, and from here you see latest post is active. So that's why when we go to our website we see these blog posts here. So just click on our static, then from here home page, select home as your home page and click on save changes. And when we refresh, you will see the page we recently created is our home page.